took me a while just to get like this. Got a new whip and it matched my fit. Brand new Owens, yeah, talk about rich. Take a look at me while I fit this script. You don't wanna play me, cause I pay your shit like daily. Now you're telling me you wanna get nasty. Wanna love like back, but it's past me. Now my pocket's getting so hefty. I need more rubber bands that stretch me. You're again, that's changed me. Take a look at how I did this casually. Now my pocket's getting so hefty. I need more rubber bands that stretch me. You're again, that's changed me. Take a look at how I did this casually. But you're always trying to play my part. Didn't know that you could love this hard. Didn't know that your love was better than mine. And you're always told it from the start we were gonna end up hard. I guess they are just too fed up with that shit. It took me a while just to